let's talk about the ongoing elections. That, of course, first to vote this morning, we were looking at pictures that came in of the UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, JP Nadda, the BJP National President. We have Pragya, who's joining us from Varanasi, because Pragya, the pictures that also came in of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, his tapasya is about to end there, today being the 1st of June, and simultaneously the voting is also taking place in his constituency of Kashi. However, Ajay Rai seems to be suggesting that the people of Kashi have been insulted. The PM should rather have meditated in Kashi.
Well, we spoke to Ajay Rai in the morning, and the allegation he is leveling against Prime Minister is that Prime Minister left Varanasi to the BJP leaders and in fact went on for the meditation at Kanyakumari. His point was that why should he not be doing that in the Shashwamedh Ghat? When I asked him, that would have been a violation of model code of conduct, because you cannot be in your constituency doing it, and if cameras were following him doing that, then you would have obviously said that this is sort of campaigning also. Now he is doing in Kanyakumari. Congress is still saying that it is sort of campaigning, and they have objected to it, and they had gone to Election Commission. He had no answer to this, but he continuously made it a point to say that Prime Minister was not present here. In fact, he was the one who was present here, and he cast his vote here. That is the the core point of his, that he has exercised his right to vote, and he remains within the people, among the people of Varanasi. But when I asked him why did Congress boycotting the exit poll, he had no answers. In fact, he evaded one and said Congress has taken a right decision. But these are the political barbs that have come from the opposition camp. He is a Congress candidate from Varanasi. Obviously, his task is to take on Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And any point that he gets, it is obvious that he is going to attack Prime Minister Narendra Modi. This is a political season. War of words have ensued, and today, in fact, in morning, he was very aggressive when he was talking about Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Right. However, given the fact Varanasi is a constituency that elects Prime Minister Narendra Modi is contesting here again. The target is huge of the margin that BJP has proclaimed. Now, challenge for the BJP is that they would ask every voter to come out.
Well, few more hours to go as far as the polling to end today, and that will bring the Lok Sabha elections 2024 to an end. Thank you very much, Pragya, for the updates. As Pragya was talking about, she having a word with Ajay Rai from the Congress party this morning. Let's listen into other reactions also that came in.
अजय जी, आज आप यहाँ आए हैं, आप कांग्रेस के प्रत्याशी हैं वाराणसी से। आपको लगता है कि 400 पार को चुनौती आप यहीं से दे पाएंगे, क्योंकि बीजेपी कह रही है 400 पार की शुरुआत यहीं से होने वाली है?
देखिए, ऐसा है, आपको मैं बता दें कि इनकी झूठी बात से जनता उग चुकी है। 400 पार, 10 लाख पार, ये जनता तय करती है, जनता तय करती है। तो जनता पर अगर विश्वास हो, जनता का निर्णय छोड़ दीजिए। जनता का निर्णय आएगा 4 तारीख को कि 400 पार होगा, कि 10 लाख पार होगा, कि 8 लाख पार होगा, कि 5 लाख से हारेंगे। ये जनता तय करती है, मैं तय करने वाला नहीं हूँ।
आज वोट प्रतिशत हमको लगता है, जैसा दिख रहा है सुबह से, 60 के ऊपर जाएगा या 60 तक टच कर जाएगा।
आप पत्नी के साथ आए हैं वोट करने के लिए। इस बार देखा, एक ट्रेंड देखा हम लोगों ने कि उत्तर प्रदेश, बिहार, बंगाल में महिलाओं ने ज्यादा संख्या में वोट दिया है। आशीर्वाद मिला क्या?
70 करोड़ महिला इस वक्त जो भारत की आबादी है में, वो सब मोदी जी को वोट दे रही है। आप मेरी बात ऑन रिकॉर्ड याद रखिएगा, उसमें मुस्लिम महिलाएं भी हैं।
तो इनका आशीर्वाद इस बार मोदी जी के साथ है।
उन्होंने जीवन बदल दिया, पूरा भारत बदल दिया, एक एक गरीब की जिंदगी बदल दी, एक एक किसान। मतलब हम तो गांव की राजनीति में है ना, हम तो गोरखपुर पूरा देहात है जी। तो मैं तो रोज 3 महीने से देख रहा हूँ कि घर गया हूँ, मैं और मेरी पत्नी के गांव गए हैं। हम लोगों ने 500 से ज्यादा मैंने सभाएं की हैं, इन्होंने 100 से ज्यादा की। हर जगह महिला, एकदम महिला। मोदी जी जेकर खाई वो नहीं का गाई, वो नहीं जियावत अड़न। सीधी बात, कोई फालतू बातें नहीं।